Hey guys, it's me Kumari Bhavna, and in this video we are going to learn about the medical tourism. So, what are the learning objectives? What is medical tourism? The reasons for taking medical tourism, the steps involved in it, the risk and the SWOT analysis. So, at first, what is medical tourism? Medical tourism is the practice of traveling abroad for taking medical treatment. So, what are the reasons of medical tourism? Why do people go for it? Because it is less expensive. We get well qualified doctors, good patient care, and travel opportunities, and we get world class treatment at world class facility is available, accessible, and affordable with the latest technology. So, what are the steps involved of medical tourism? The patient will select a hospital, will do arrangement, that is, will book an appointment, will travel to that selected hospital, will seek treatment, will stay during the process of treatment, and then again will travel back to the place from where he came to seek treatment, and then he will go for the follow-up. So these are the steps involved in medical tourism. So what are the risk factors of medical tourism? Suppose a person who is coming from a place where malaria is not prevalent, goes to an endemic area of malaria, then the person will be susceptible for a new disease. So the risk involved in medical tourism is that the person will be susceptible for new diseases due to traveling. Then there are chances of illegal organ transplantation, legal issues might be involved, and they may have poor grievance redressal mechanism. That is, the person can't claim for the medical negligence, the service deficiency, and informed consent. That is, the person won't be able to come back and say that the process was not explained. Now coming to the SWOT analysis or the SWOT analysis. It stands for strength, weakness, opportunity, threat. Now the name has been changed from SWOT to SWOT. The T has been replaced by CBJ's challenge. So the strength of medical tourism are, what are the strengths? That is, पैसा बचेगा, अपॉइंटमेंट जल्दी मिलेगा, हम लोग को रेप्यूटेड हेल्थ केयर प्रोफेशनल से हेल्थ सीख करने को मिलेगा, ट्रेडिशनल हेल्थ केयर थेरेपीज भी मिलते हैं जैसे कि आयुष, एंड हम लोग को हॉस्पिटल से एक्रेडिशंस मिलते हैं जैसे कि JCSA एंड NABSA, नेशनल एक्रेडिशंस ऑफ बोर्ड हॉस्पिटल से. अब इसका वीकनेस क्या है? लैक ऑफ गवर्नमेंट रेगुलेशंस फॉर MVT एंड ऑफ नोडल बॉडी टू सुपरिनटेंड इट. अब ये MVT क्या है? MVT है मेडिकल वैल्यू ट्रैवल और मेडिकल टूरिज्म. दूसरा, लैक ऑफ अवेयरनेस नहीं है लोगों को ऑफ NABH एक्रेडिशंस के बारे में. ना लोग अवेयर हैं. जब लोग अवेयर ही नहीं है तो कैसे वो लोग मेडिकल टूरिज्म वाली चीज के बारे में सोचेंगे? इंडिया में कोई कैंपेन अवेलेबल नहीं है फॉर MVT डेस्टिनेशन. एंड चौथा, लैक ऑफ मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस पोर्टेबिलिटी. यहाँ पर मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस का पोर्टेबिलिटी नहीं होता है, वो एक वीकनेस है ऑफ मेडिकल टूरिज्म. Coming to the opportunities part, ये कौन कौन से जगह के लिए मतलब मेडिकल टूरिज्म एक अपॉर्चुनिटी होगा वहाँ पे मेडिकल टूरिज्म का ज़्यादा डिमांड होगा उस कंट्रीज में जहाँ पर कि अंडर डेवलप्ड मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज है और जहाँ पर एजिंग पॉपुलेशन है. दूसरा, डिमांड फॉर वेलनेस एंड अल्टरनेट क्योर, दैट इज आयुष, एंड द कनेक्टिविटी इज ऑल्सो connectivity will also improve due to medical tourism. Now coming to threat or challenge part, it involves regional competitions, then the lack of international accreditations, overseas medical care is not covered by insurance, and the exploitation by the middlemen. Hope it would have been an effective learning. That's all. Thank you.